So welcome to the next video in the series of how to use your HX-2 GPS Navigator. In this video, we're going to talk about different map styles and how to understand the sort of map you're looking at. I'm referring here to on-road maps, off-road maps, and adventure maps. Hi, I'm Ian from Hema Maps, and let's talk about different map styles. We have 3 different map modes in the HX-2 GPS Navigator, and the reason is because people want different things in a map. Some want just road navigation, they want voice guidance, and they'll travel the whole of Australia on the major roads. Others want off-road information, and they want remote information and topographic detail. And some would prefer a multi-layered map where they can zoom in to get more detail or zoom out for less detail. And still other people would just prefer a flat paper map, just the same as they'd get from the retailer. So many people would be happy to travel Australia on an on-road map. So voice guidance, visual guidance right around Australia on a road mapping system that shows all the streets and zooms in right down to house numbers if necessary. So we're not four-wheel driving all the time. Most of our time is actually spent in daily commuting. This is where the on-road maps come into the fore. So now we look at the off-road mode. Now off-road maps all take into account all the terrain. So they're a topographic map. They'll show you the rivers and the streams and the contours, the hills, etc. It's all information that's interesting when you're off the road. When you've started to explore a little further out. You might be in the deserts, you might be in the high country, you might be in Cape York or even the Kimberley. It gives you a lot more detail of the land that you're traveling through rather than just a street map. Off-road maps is where the Hema HX-2 really shines. Hema has been mapping remote destinations for many years, and our maps are highly detailed. So you have to ask the question, if we have an off-road mode in our HX-2, why would we have adventure maps? Well, again, people look at maps in a different way, and adventure maps are like just looking at a flat paper map, only in digital format. So there's no extra detail that comes in as you zoom in, there's no multi-layers, it's just the same map that you buy from a retailer with all the same detail on it. Some people prefer those types of maps. So what makes the Hema HX-2 GPS Navigator so special is that the functionality is available in all 3 map modes. So that means your points of interest are available in all 3 map modes, your favourites are available in all 3 map modes, and even your filters to change what you see on the map are available in all 3 map modes. This is very special. And you can track in all 3 modes. There is no doubt that the Hema HX-2 GPS Navigator is a brilliant piece of technology for touring Australia. Hopefully you'll have a better understanding of the 3 different map styles we use in the HX-2 and why we use them. In the next video, we'll talk about points of interest. Thanks for watching.